back and you go. I'm putting 4 large eggs here because I like fried eggs, but by all means, if you like sunny side up, if you like them all green, if you like them scrambled, make as many as you like, however you like. I'm going to let mine cook on the other side here. Hit them with a little salt and pepper on the first side. Now to my salad over here, this is something you probably won't always have on hand. If you're making this tonight or early in the morning after an all-nighter, you probably won't go for the salad. But if you do the salad, for some formula, this salad is super easy and super interesting. There's a nice combination of honey salad, all of these with a little bit of snacks from radishes, although there's like a little bit of onion to kind of counteract the salad. And then some nice fresh cucumber. This is what they call the European English with cucumbers. I love them because they come in a wrapper and you can just take the wrapper off, give them a rinse, and still leave the skin on with no worries. So I got those thinly sliced. The dressing is super simple. It's just a little bit of mint jelly that I thin down with lime juice. I whisked in a little EPLO, then toss it all together, put a little salt and pepper on it. Isn't that gorgeous? This will make a great summer
I just looked out the door. She's pooping on the other side of the yard. We'll see if she comes back.
absolutely delicious. You're going to have to remember that come summer. But it's
Dog is insane.